If you and your dog have always wanted a doggy door, but you don't want the neighborhood critters to know you have a doggy door, MyQ has an answer for you. We're taking a look at the MyQ Pet Portal right now. The MyQ Pet Portal is a doggy door that's designed to look like an ordinary door. Seriously, you have to replace your entire human-sized door, and then built in is an elevator-style set of doors that open and close when your dog wants to come and go. You can actually put a Bluetooth collar on them that the door will sense and then open so that they can go out in the yard and play and or do their business whenever they need to. The big downside is, again, you have to replace your entire door for the MyQ Pet Portal, so it's not going to come cheap. It will cost $3,000. Pre-orders start now, and MyQ says that it breaks down to roughly $8 a day, which is less than you might pay for a dog walker, but still, that's a heck of a sticker price, $3,000. If you don't want to just turn over the keys to the dog, you can open and close the door yourself remotely with the app. The door has a built-in camera and a two-way microphone, so you can talk to your pal and then let them out, and it will automatically close behind them so that the critters don't get in, but thankfully it has sensors built in there, so hopefully it's not gonna close on your dog's tail, fingers crossed. The MyQ Pet Portal is designed for pets 10 to 90 pounds, so it should fit a wide variety of dogs, but sorry Great Dane lovers. Otherwise, it also comes in a variety of finishes and materials so you can match the style of your home, and MyQ has packed in a lot of the right stuff here, although I'd still be worried about elevator doors closing on my dog's tail. Again, hopefully that won't happen and you just get the added smart convenience of letting your dog out when you're on the go. For much more from CES, stay tuned to CNET. Almost?
No,
What did I miss?
I think that was perfect. Honestly, I'm just thinking about that dog tail thing.
Right? It makes me nervous.